This tutorial on how to connect your Facebook page to your business portfolio on the Facebook platform. First, you want to make sure you're obviously logged into Facebook, and then you want to go to business.facebook.com/settings/partners. When this page opens, you should see your business portfolio. It should have your name up here in the left-hand corner. So if this is a brand new thing for you, you've never done this before, you're obviously going to want to add a page to the business portfolio. This portfolio keeps track of everybody that has access to your pages, as well as Instagram as well. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're only going to be doing Facebook. So what we want to do to get started is under accounts over here on the left-hand side, click pages, and then in the center of the screen, we're going to go ahead and push the add button, the blue button right here. We're going to hit add an existing Facebook page. So the easiest way to get your Facebook page URL is have another tab open up here at the top. So normally your URL would be something like google.com or facebook.com. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to have this page preloaded. We're just going to copy and then go back in the Meta Business Suite. And then you're just going to paste the URL in this box. After a moment, it should pop up here with the name of the business if it's listed correctly. If the blue button doesn't allow you to click on it, you can always hit the enter key, push next. Now, because we don't have access to the Facebook business page yet, this is why we're getting this message. So if you want to make sure you're the page admin or the page owner to do this tutorial. Someone with lower end access, such as an employee or anything like that, will not be able to do this. So again, make sure you're the page owner or the page admin and have full control to do this. So you can go ahead and click done. And then normally the Facebook page would pop up here. You would see people who have listed access like admin, full control, etc., employees. But again, for this purpose, we do not have access to this page, so that's why nothing is seen here. That is pretty much the end of this tutorial. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at socialmedia@enter.net, and one of our team members will be glad to assist you.